Alright, we're back with an unboxing. So, we'll just get this opened.
When's your car due for inspection, Candy? April? May? Okay, if it does yours, April then. Just, Heinz just said he knows. Is it one of your cars is expected to be due in the month of April?
No. Mine's due in May.
Okay, April, May.
Alright.
It can be done as early as...
There's the front.
There. So do...
Oh, I got
And
a
the side.
send in for Dottie's
And we'll get this open and back.
Yeah, so you got that in the there.
So, here we have it. This is Optimus Prime. And I gotta tell you, it's a really good model. Sadly, the hood does not open, but I feel like it should. And but the doors do open. The mirrors already broke. Congratulations. But the mirrors do open. Or yeah, the mirrors open. The doors do open. And I mean, overall, it's a really good model. Shame about that grill though, but I'll fix that. And it does have the Optimus Prime robot down there on the bottom of the chassis. I mean, overall, like, it's a really good model. Oh, excuse me. It rolls really good, you know. Rolls excellent. I'm very pleased with this. So, tomorrow I should have another one for you guys. If not tomorrow, the next day. So if you want to be involved with the next unboxing, drop a comment, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe with the bell, so that way you're alerted of every notification. So, but there you are. We have Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. Now, eventually I'm going to be getting the 2006 Chevy Camaro along with the 1977 Camaro. Oh wait, I actually do already have the 2006 one. That one is right there along with that Optimus. And so, yeah. Like I said, come back tomorrow for another unboxing. If not, if it won't be tomorrow, it'll be the next day. So, we'll catch you later.